So what is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I've talked about this extensively. I said that people were gonna be getting called back to work at Warren Assembly, and the callback has started. You remember when the Ram Classic, the 1500 Ram Classic ended, they laid off about 1,500 workers. Well, that has now changed. The UAW contacted multiple people. I've had a couple different people email me on it, and it looks like 45 people. And I know it sounds like a small number, but it is a start, and it goes to show that we were right again. In terms of they're going to move that production to Warren, and they're going to slowly start getting stuff tooled up and put together, where some of that 1,500 production is going to go to Warren, and you're going to see more production going to Sterling Heights Assembly. Now, how soon is it going to be before we see the whole 1,500 indefinite layoffs called back? I'm not going to BS you and tell you it's going to happen in a week or a month. It might take a little time. But as soon as they get stuff tooled up at Warren, you can best believe that they're going to call it back. And if they go back to old reliable, right? Reliable ass engines like the 5.7 Hemi. They go back to the 5.7 Hemi or put the 6.4 in other vehicles, then and then only, will we see the reliability pick up. A lot of the issues, and yes, the new architecture and electrical architecture and software sucks ass. We know that, right? We know there's a lot of work to be done to make that everyday driving capable. But it's not the end of the world. Like, there is some great, with the 5.7 Hemi in it, I think it will drastically increase reliability on the Ram 1500, the Wagoneer, if they want to put it in that, the Grand Cherokee, etc., etc., etc. But this is just a small piece of some really good news, and that really good news being layoffed workers. Some of those 1,500 indefinite layoff workers have now been called back to Warren Assembly, and it's just a start. It's only 45. It's just a start, but it means more and more of those workers are going to get a call back as they start moving that production from Mexico and Canada to the United States. And if you don't think they're going to do it, you're out of your rabbit ass mind. I called this months ago. I told you that was going to happen, and guess what? It's happening. So you guys that are still on indefinite layoff at Warren, have hope. I think you're going to get a call back very soon. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.